gonna make some holiday teas with ease, just like these, in Kittl, and the video starts right now.
T-shirt help desk.
Now you can make these to sell, you can make these to put on print on demand, you could just wear them, or you can give them as gifts. So anyway, let's make some holiday teas that are gonna turn heads. Not like that.
So you go to Kittl.com and you go down to the search bar and you put in something like the holidays, right? And you're gonna see a bunch of templates, right? You go down and let's try something else. Let's do ugly sweater. And let's take a look down the page. I mean, look at all this hotness. Now, guys, you take these and use these as a base. I strongly suggest changing them up, changing the wording, and making them your own. Okay, this one, Merry and Black, ho ho home for the holidays. So many different holiday ideas. So let's take this Merry and Bright one, click it, and make it our own. You can see that it has this font right here, which looks like a sweater. It's called Merry Knitting, right? So we're going to take and change it. I'm going to change the Merry to ugly and to ass and bright to sweater. This is great for those ugly sweater parties. And look, you can click right here and make a template and turn it into a hoodie. Look at that. Now let's do another one. This is Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. Let's click on that. And we're going to take that. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to bring Santa down. And we're going to change this from all these ho ho ho's, and we're going to just change the wording up just a little bit. And we're going to go to this top one and we're going to change that to I'm just here for the. All right. Now we could leave it like this. I really like that. But I wanna change this, and I'm going to change the top wording from. I'm going to change the top wording to an arc by simply pressing the circle. I'm going to change that around, bring the ho 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 down. I'm going to change the font. I think we're going to go for that good girl font again. We're going to bring it up. And we have ourselves a t-shirt. Easy peasy breezy.
Now guys, when I say ho, I know you know that I'm talking about this, right? It's a gardening tool. They make great gifts. It's the holidays. Get your mind out of the gutter. Back to the video. Okay guys, it's not just Christmas stuff. You can also make Thanksgiving product. Let me show you.
So guys, I'm going to make a video from scratch and I'm going to rush through it, but check out my full tutorial to see how to work a lot of these things in detail. So just go right up here and click new project. Now click create, and we're going to change our background to a nice kind of a yellow, and I'm going to go in to make a square, and I'm just going to make a rectangle line. I'm going to make this line thinner. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste that, make a bunch of those, right? And then I'm going to go over to our text, and we're going to start to write out what we want on here. Okay, we want this to look like a package, right? So I'm kind of using another t-shirt as reference, and I'm just going in and putting in all the macronutrients. Now I'm just randomly making up numbers. You can go get an actual box of mac and cheese and use the real macronutrients, right? And here you go. So we're going to change all that black to a nice brown to kind of mimic the like color of mac and cheese, you know, when it's baked, and to get the little brown tips. And guys, change it up, get it right, and that's it. You have a mac and cheese t-shirt. I also did one for cranberry sauce. Same thing. You just add the little macro and ingredients, and guys, these things sell like hotcakes. One more for extra credit. Type in silhouette shape of Hungary, right? You're going to see some images. just download one, and then we're going to put in silhouette shape of turkey, not that one, the country turkey, and download that. Go back over, upload the shapes, okay, Hungary and Turkey. Now you're going to go over here to our image vectorizer. You click that right there. Kittl has you covered with everything. After you vectorize them, you can change the color, right? So we're going to change this to, first just going to do a little red. Then we're going to add some text. I'm Hungary. And the next one we're going to write for Turkey, okay? And then we're going to go in and make that background like a tan, like a turkey color. And then we're going to make the countries like, now we're going to play with our font to add something we like. First, I was going to use this one, but it's kind of too big. And we're back in and we made it like this. And we make them the same as the brown color, add the distress, and we are done. Throw it on one of these Kittl templates, and there you have it. I'm hungry for turkey, mac and cheese, cranberry sauce, ugly ass sweater. I'm just here for the gardening tools. I'm hungry. Have fun making holiday teas, you guys.
And if you want to get Kittl, just go up to pricing. You can click yearly or annually. Just make an account and get 50% off for Black Friday when you use the code BF2023. Make it happen.
So guys, go out and make yourself some really dynamite holiday teas. There's going to be a link for Kittl down in the description box and pinned into the comments. And I fooled around with y'all long enough. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.
I wasn't lying about the word hoe now. If I was lying, may lightning strike right